Imagine having somebody working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A chatbot, not something that just talks, talking about full AI agent that can research, build websites, create presentations, analyze data, and deliver results, all from your phone, or from simple text messages. Now, you've been following the AI space, perhaps even my channel. You know OpenClaw has been blowing up. People are calling it the Jarvis of AI, and for good reason. And it's incredible. But let's be real, setting it up is a nightmare. You need a server or perhaps even a dedicated computer for it. You need API keys, you need to configure everything yourself, and the cost can be unpredictable. Well, yesterday, Manus dropped something that directly competes with OpenClaw, and you can set it up just under a minute. No servers, no command lines, no API tokens. Just scan a QR code and you're in. It's that easy. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what Manus agents are, how it works, how it compares to OpenClaw, and whether or not it's worth your time, and let's be real, your money. But before we jump in, please take a moment and like this video. Every like helps me reach more people throughout the world. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I release videos like this every single week, showcasing the best AI tools and how you can use them to build, automate, grow. But with that being said, let's jump in. So, let me give you a little bit of context. Manus is an autonomous AI agent that was originally built by a Chinese startup called Monica. It launched in March of last year and immediately made waves because could do things, like just talk about things. We are talking research, data analysis, website creation, coding, and content generation. It does it all autonomously. Fast forward to December 2025, Meta acquired Manus for about $2 billion. And now, backed by Meta's infrastructure, Manus just released what they're calling Manus agents. And this is where it gets interesting. Manus agents is a way for you to access full Manus AI agent directly inside your messaging apps. So right now it's live on Telegram with WhatsApp, Slack, Discord, and Line coming in the next 30 to 60 days, give or take. But this is not a lightweight chatbot at all. This is the same Manus with full reasoning, tools, and multi-step execution, just available through chat. Here's what makes this special though. When you go to the Agent tab in your Manus workspace, and you scan the QR code using your Telegram app, it only takes about under a minute, 30 to 60 seconds, and you're up and running chatting with your own personal AI agent that can do stuff for you. There are no command lines, no configuration files, no API tokens, nothing technical, just scan and go. I actually spent the whole day today and I burned through every single credit that I had playing around with this because it's insanely good. It even created a website that is able to actually take action on my behalf and help me uncover different trends that are trending on X and YouTube to allow me to record videos just like this one. Matter of fact, this was one of the videos that he suggested, although I was already going to record it. So it's what it is. But let me not talk to you too much about it. Let's jump in and let me show you exactly how it looks like. All right, let me show you exactly how this works. Here we are inside the Manus dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to go to the Agents tab at this one right here. We're going to click on it. We're going to click on Get Started on Telegram. And here we have the Telegram QR code. You want to do is you want to bring your mobile phone and you want to scan that QR code and make sure that you are pairing this with your own Telegram bot. No joke, it's as easy as that. From there, what you want to do is you want to go to the Telegram. So I'm going to open my desktop application for Telegram. You want to go to Bot Father and you want to create a brand new bot. So in this case, we're going to create a brand new bot and we have to name it. So this is going to be speedy score test on this. And we're going to send this. And now we have to name the bot and you have to end with bot. So there's bot. We're going to send it. And here we get our token. Once we get our token, what we want to do is we want to open this. This will allow us to open Telegram. Right now, we don't have enough credits because this is a demo account that I just activated. Just to show you this, we only have about 500 credits. I want to say, give or take, even know, 2,000 credits. So we should have enough credits for this. Uh, uh, but basically, once you create your bot, it will ask you to enter your chat ID and your token. What you want to do is you want to enter it here in the chat, provide the token, provide the chat ID, send it, and Manage will configure everything. Once everything is configured, you're going to see that you are connected to Manus and you're able to chat with Manus as if you were chatting with a coworker. It's as easy as that. We have everything here that I was able to get to work. So I'm chatting with Manus, providing full context of what my business does. It replied back. I provide some context of who I am. And now I allow it to ask me 15 questions for it to get to know me a little bit better and try to understand my business a little bit better. And that allow it to actually get start giving me personalized information and personalized advice based on what I want to accomplish and how I want to go about it. Now, cool thing about the Manus agent is that it not only uses the same tools that you will get from ChatGPT or any other agent. I'm going to actually bring up my Manus agent. Let's bring this up because there's something I want to show you here. And that is that Manus can actually solve problems for you by creating websites and dashboards. This may or may not load. Let's take a look. All right, so the preview is loading, but basically, I told Manus that I'm having issues trying to find what trends and what is supposed to be recorded because I want to record what's relevant to you, not just something that is relevant to me, but might not be relevant to you. So I told Manus that, and Manus came up with a few solutions. I decided to go with the solution that it built a dashboard that allowed me to see what is trending on S in regards to AI, no codes, data scraping, and software. So I can actually use that as context for my videos. So as you can see here, we're going to generate a digest smaller. So we're monitoring 14 accounts right now across S, and that is from AI companies to data aggregators and some other companies. I connected a few APIs. So as you can see, we are currently following Cloud, Cursor, Minimass, our Roundtable Space, Unwind, and some others. And basically, the idea is that Um, we want to, yep, we want to be able to get the best twist possible and use that data to record videos. As you can see here, um, there is a lot of talk about major update release from Claude, strong focus on AI agents, so AI in software, open source AI models. So there is a lot of talk. And then we go into which tools have been mentioned. So these are the tools that are on fire right now. Then from here, I can go and take a look at the top tweets that were recorded. I can get the key insights. So Manus provide me with this full idea of what I should be looking at, but not only is send it to me via here, but also I just had this back in a message on Telegram. So Telegram, I can be like getting a good understanding of what's going on online and what I should be paying attention to so I can bring you better videos, better tutorials, and give you a better idea of how to stay on top of AI, which, by the way, is really difficult. I tend to build this a little bit more, but this just gives you an idea of what is possible. This is not just another ChatGPT or another Google Gemini. This can actually take action for you, actually help you solve problems that before were not even possible, before they were not even in anybody's radar. And now it can take action on your behalf. It can solve the problem. It can build the tools to solve those problems. It's just insane what it can do. Now, how does this compare with OpenClaw? Well, as you can see, setting up the Manus AI agent took about a minute and a half top. Setting up OpenClaw, if you're a complete beginner, that will take you between 2 to 3 hours at the very least. It can take up to, I heard of people taking up to 10 hours, which to me is insane. But yeah, it can take a lot of time. Now, for the pros and cons, I would say for the pro, for Manus, relatively easy to build and launch and get started. It's a plug and play versus OpenClaw, again, which can take you a while. Now, on the flip side, OpenClaw is an open source agent, so you can get it to do almost anything you want. Versus Manus, you get what you get, and you are at the mercy of Meta to develop something for you if they decide to do so. Um, with OpenClaw, you own your data. With Manus, you don't. Uh, fairly self-explanatory. I think straight to the point. If you already have trust issues with Meta, maybe Manus is not for you. Now, playing devil's advocate, Manus take care of the security. I doubt Facebook will want to have a brand crisis, so they will get it right versus using OpenClaw. You're in charge of your security. If you don't know what you're doing, then that's on you. So those are some of the things that you have to consider. There is also the cost of the API calls. You're paying for your API calls versus on Manus. You are using your credits, which I would argue may or may not be more expensive depending on which model you end up using, but is also a little bit easier to control the price when it comes to Manus. So there you have it. That's my take on Manus. Relatively easy to build. There are some constraints, but for the most part, it's insanely powerful and it's a great tool that you should take today and get started. It's definitely a great OpenClaw competitor. It's an OpenClaw alternative that you should be exploring and at least thinking about as you're going through trying to figure out what is the best AI agent that you can use for your own setup. But I will ask you, what is your take? What will you do with Manus, or what use cases come to mind as I talk about Manus? Please let me know down in the comments below. And while you're there, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm on a journey to try to help as many people as possible throughout the world to experience and get to know more about AI. I want to change people's life. And by liking this video is telling the algorithm that this video is worth watching and that it should push to more people out there. So please consider liking this video and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I really appreciate you taking your time, spending it with me, talking about Manus. Hope that you learned something new. And I hope to see you in the next video.